Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Roll Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far. So this week I'm going to share with you the DIY project I've done for the phone Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I've attempted to replace the broken screen. To be precise, the problem is only the broken glass of the screen. So I figured it would be cheaper to buy a replacement glass screen instead of the complete LCD display screen digitizer frame replacement kit, which usually costs from $138 to $200. So I went ahead and ordered the front screen glass replacement kit, which only cost me $36. If you think of it, it is way cheaper, right? Of course, with the experience of replacing broken screen for iPhones, I thought this project would be a piece of cake. And I felt so confident that I can do it after watching other videos from someone selling the glass screen replacement kit. In my mind, this DIY is possible. Yep, it boosted my confidence level on that moment. In fact, as I recall, I was very excited to do this project. So time came and we received the materials from Express Cell Depot. We got one molybdenum wire LCD glass removal tool, one suction cup, one 3 ml Stronghold Premium UV Luca, 8 pieces, universal repair toolkit, one flexible metal pry bar tool, two cleaning cloths, one set of pre-cut double-sided tape, one original grade replacement screen glass, one original grade replacement rear glass, one glass screen protector. Without delay, I immediately got into it, and after getting cuts from the flexible metal pry bar tool, I realized I need safer tools for this project. So I ended up getting iFixit tools and other opening tools just to be safe. So my enthusiasm for this project went back up again until to the point where the LCD screen is bleeding, and I know at this point I need to buy the LCD screen digitizer frame replacement, which will cost me equivalent to a new phone. Well, first I need to inform the owner of the phone that I broke her phone big time and give her an option. Either a new phone or get the LCD screen digitizer frame replacement complete kit. Again, you can buy both for the same price. In fact, the new phone costs cheaper than the replacement kit, which I think is a total nonsense. So right now, I'm still waiting for the price of the LCD screen digitizer frame replacement complete kit to go down to at least $50. But for now, this DIY flop made me learn 4 things. 1. It's okay to say no if you don't know what to do. 2nd, put some tape on broken glasses of the screen to avoid accident and wear gloves and safety glasses. 3rd, always use the right tools to avoid cuts and burns. 4th, be prepared to spend more money and time if you want to learn. Here you go, folks. This is my April Fool's Day moment. I know it's not easy to admit we've made a mistake, but the truth will set you free. Have a wonderful week and see you next video. Once again, thank you so much for watching.